This short video will show you how to do a quick search for news articles in the US Newsstream database. You can access the database from a library course guide or from UWM's databases list. To start, click on Advanced Search. This allows you to easily combine multiple keywords. Enter similar terms on one line using or between words to increase your search results. For example, plastics or microplastics will bring back articles with either word and with both words. You can add additional concepts on new lines to narrow down your results. Use the filters on the left to even further narrow down your results. For instance, if you need a newspaper article for an assignment, choose Newspapers under Source Type. Clicking on Full Text will bring you results with the full article attached. Another helpful filter is Publication Date. Consider your assignment expectations. For example, if you need to find an article published within the last month, click on Enter a Date Range and use the calendar or manually enter the time frame you need. Using keywords and filters brought our original search results from 66,000 plus down to 63 articles that better match the assignment requirements. Next, review the titles and publications to see which articles might be interesting and could work for your assignment. In US Newsstream, you will see a mix of local newspapers and bigger national newspapers. Once you find an article, scan for your keywords. If your word or words show up only once or twice, the article may not have enough content on your topic. If your keywords show up more frequently throughout the article, you might have more information to learn and delve into. It's helpful to consider the article length as well. News sources can range from short paragraphs to a few pages. Check to see if your article is a current events news article, an opinion piece, a letter to the editor, etc. There are different types of sources in newspapers, so it's important to make sure you're choosing the source type that matches your information needs. Once you've selected an article, make sure to do some additional source evaluation. Many of the library course guides include information about evaluating sources. Then use the tools on the top right to manage your source. From here, you can save the article, email it, print it, and more. Click on the Cite button to create a citation for your bibliography. Use the pull-down menu to choose the citation style needed for your assignment. Below is the actual citation that you can copy and paste into your bibliography. Make sure to double-check the citation for accuracy. If you'd like a link back to this article, you can create a permanent link, also called a permalink, back to it. To do this, click on All Options. The permalink back to the article will be at the top of the pop-up. Copy and paste this link to get back to the article. If you have any questions about the US Newsstream database or would like help finding, evaluating, and/or citing your sources, please contact your campus librarian. We are happy to help.